Hi, I'm Brandy, co-founder and chief research officer at Atrantil. And today we're going to talk about something that affects many of you, anxiety and depression. For so long, anxiety and depression were both thought of as being psychological problems, but now research is showing that it's directly tied to your gut. Now, how can that be? How is your gut controlling these moods and feelings that you're having in your head? Today we're going to break that down and take a look at that. So the vagus nerve is the main connection or the main link between your gut and your brain. The vagus nerve controls things such as fear responses, mood, even heart rate, among other things. Now, the vagus nerve is stimulated by the nutrients we eat. So your vagus nerve is stimulated by nutrients in the food that you eat. Now, these nutrients are then changed by the microbes in your gut to different byproducts such as hormones, fatty acids, neurotransmitters, and these things are then broken down, and these byproducts get sent to do various jobs throughout the body. And one of the jobs that these do is then they signal the vagus nerve to relay information up to the brain. Now, some of the stimulants on the vagus nerve are good, such as oxytocin or serotonin, which are hormones that have antidepressant and anti-anxiety properties. And other ones, such as the gut peptides, can actually have hormones that cause anxiety and depression. So you really want to have that balance in your microbiome to not relay information that stimulates anxiety and depression. And how can we do this? Well, we'll take a look at that. So how do you increase the good stimulants from the gut and decrease the bad ones? Well, let's take a look at that. First, it's diet. We always talk about diet. Diet is key. Having a diet rich in polyphenols, a diet like the Mediterranean diet, is really key. You want to get a lot of good fatty acids such as the omegas, and you really want polyphenols. Polyphenols you can get through diet. You can also get through supplements such as Atrantil, packed full of polyphenols. The other thing that you want to get lots of is prebiotics. Prebiotics nourish the microbiome, so you'll have a happy gut. A happy gut equals a happy mind, right? So Atrantil again acts as a prebiotic. Once it's in the colon, it acts as a prebiotic and actually nourishes the bacteria in the colon. Another key thing is exercise. Exercise has been shown to reduce inflammation, increase the diversity of your gut bacteria, and have a lot of beneficial effects on your gut. So a happy gut equals happy brain. So we want to get that exercise in. There's also been research that has shown things like fecal transplants and those type of things work well also. But the key, I would say, in your daily lives, the main takeaway is to really have a good microbiome. You want to get lots of polyphenols, lots of prebiotics, and exercise. And this can really affect your mood in positive ways. So thanks so much for listening. If you want to hear more, click the link below. Have a great day.